Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can add and withdraw money from Revolut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So first, before starting, you have to make sure that you have the correct plan or version that actually supports this feature so you will have the full access with everything that you need. So yeah, what you will do is, of course, make sure that your country already has Revolut or it supports Revolut. And once you're here, you will just log in with your existing credentials or create one if you don't have one yet. And then you will look for account section once you're logged in, and then you will just have to tap add money, and then you will choose card, and then what you will do is you can also, by the way, choose from card, bank transfer, or other methods, and then you will just have to enter the amount and then confirm. To withdraw, you will have to tap account and then withdraw and then select bank account. And then you will just have to enter the amount and then confirm, and the funds will be transferred. And just like that, it's done. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.